Finding a great used car under $10,000 is more important than ever, and making the wrong choice can cost you thousands in repairs. In this video, we'll break down the smartest, most reliable used cars that deliver real value, low ownership costs, and years of dependable driving. In 2026, buying a reliable used car under $10,000 is still possible if you know where to look. These vehicles prove that budget cars can still deliver comfort, reliability, and long-term value. From sedans to family cars, the sub-$10,000 market offers more choices than most people expect. To find the best used cars, we focus on reliability, fuel efficiency, and long-term ownership cost. These three factors decide whether a used car will truly save you money or slowly turn into a financial headache. Every car on this list passes strict mechanical inspections and full ownership history checks for maximum reliability. The 2014 Toyota Corolla remains one of the most dependable and fuel-efficient sedans you can buy today in its class. The Honda Civic combines excellent reliability with sporty handling, smooth driving feel, and impressively low running costs. If you want more space and comfort, the Toyota Camry delivers a smooth, quiet ride with a very refined driving feel. The Mazda 3 offers fun driving dynamics, excellent build quality, and impressively strong fuel efficiency for everyday use. The Ford Focus is known for its sharp handling, smooth driving feel, and a very comfortable, well-designed interior. The Volkswagen Golf combines stylish European design with smart engineering and highly practical everyday usability. The Honda CR-V is one of the most reliable and versatile compact SUVs ever made for families and daily driving. Toyota's RAV4 offers excellent durability, long-term reliability, and impressively low maintenance costs over time. The Mazda CX-5 stands out with modern styling, a premium feel, and very impressive fuel economy for its class. The Ford Ranger is a tough and affordable pickup truck built to handle heavy work and last for many years. The Toyota Tacoma is famous for its legendary reliability, strong build quality, and serious off-road capability in all conditions. The Chevrolet Colorado offers modern interior comfort while still delivering true truck-level strength and everyday utility. Toyota's advanced engineering is the reason these vehicles can easily last well over 200,000 miles. Honda engines are widely known for excellent fuel efficiency, smooth performance, and long-term mechanical durability. Modern Mazda engines deliver a great balance of strong performance, smooth driving feel, and proven long-term reliability. These vehicles are designed to be highly fuel efficient while also remaining very affordable to maintain over the years. Low insurance costs and cheap replacement parts make these cars perfect choices for smart, budget-focused buyers. Owning one of these cars helps keep your monthly ownership costs low, predictable, and easy to manage, so you don't have to worry about surprise repairs or expensive maintenance draining your budget every month. These vehicles represent the best overall balance between long-term reliability, everyday driving comfort, and affordable ownership, making them ideal choices for people who want value without sacrificing quality. The 2014 Toyota Corolla stands out as the best overall choice for most drivers because it delivers proven reliability, excellent fuel economy, and a long history of dependable performance. It delivers unmatched value, impressive fuel efficiency, and and long-term dependability, which means you get a car that saves you money both at the gas pump and over years of ownership.
Hey folks, if you're looking for a reliable ride, check out this 2014 Toyota Corolla. It's in great shape.
If you want the safest and smartest used car choice under $10,000, the Toyota Corolla is extremely hard to beat in terms of reliability, low running costs, and overall peace of mind. Each of these vehicles offers outstanding value depending on your lifestyle. Whether you need something compact for commuting, spacious for family use, or versatile for everyday driving, with the right choice, you can enjoy many years of reliable driving, fewer mechanical problems, and much lower ownership costs, all without putting unnecessary stress on your budget. Choosing the right used car can save you thousands of dollars and give you years of stress-free driving. If this guide helped you make a smarter decision, make sure to subscribe for more expert car reviews, buying tips, and real-world vehicle advice.